Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these 6 items, 5 sticks in a circle. And if I understand them right, they want to do this right here. They said they couldn't get them they're equally. Well, these are all equal. I think you might, unless I'm totally off, you just might be overthinking this, like trying to blend it or. So I'm just going to take away all but one of them. I'm going to hit P, make sure our circle's in the center of the page. I'm going to hit P, make sure our line is in the center of the page. And then with the 4-sided cross, I'm going to start moving it up. Well, that didn't work. Make sure you get the 4-sided cross and then hold down the control button. And then, you could get it in there. You need to, depending on, either you're going to weld it. Well, you know what? Let's make 2 of these. A little bitty, so let's set our nudge factor on like 2 inches. And let's make a duplicate of this and move it over. Because maybe you don't want that. Maybe you don't want them sticking. But Control D to make a duplicate of it, alternate C, and if you don't have my macro for that, which puts it in the center, you can just make the rotate. Now 5 into 360 is 72 degrees. And then Control D, Control D. Those are all perfectly equal. Then take that and weld it, and you have one piece. Now, let's say maybe he didn't want them attached. You could have this all the way up here. I'm holding down my control button, so I cannot move it very much. Control D, alternate C, and then rotate it 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Maybe he's making a flange for a motor and wants this for the bolt holes. I don't know. I'm curious when I send this back to you if you would tell me what you're making. I always love that. I'm hoping I was on the right track. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.